Hello everybody. In this video I'm going to show you how to install pycharm on your Mac. So the first thing you want to do is go here on the spotlight and type terminal, which I've already done. You need to type it in. So terminal. Then you want to type Python 3 because it is more. Hopefully I have Python 3 installed by now version. Okay, assuming you already have it installed, let's go on to the next step. If you do not have Python already installed, I'm gonna leave a link in the description and you can watch that video first because you need to do those steps first. Point you want to open Google, type pycharm. And then download pycharm. So as you can see, I'm on my Mac. I'm already in the right place. I don't need to switch to Windows or Linux. I'm already here. There's the professional version. Now there's the community version, and I'm gonna download the community version. I'll wait for this to finish downloading. So now you can open this. You are gonna put this in here. Now you can close this window. Go onto your launchpad, open pycharm. pycharm is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Yes. Now, yeah, you can accept the terms of conditions. Data sharing, don't send. Your choice, really. And here we have it.